I'm gonna talk quieter because we're in a bougie spot, but welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is T. Go ahead and hit that like button. So right now we're at my birthday dinner here in Pittsburgh, and if you've seen my other vlog, I was in DC. That was an early birthday weekend, so now I'm here with all of my friends in Pittsburgh, and we're about to, I guess, run up a check because this menu is expensive. Like, it's a panty. It's a pandemic. Why is our prices this high? So yeah, let me show you guys the place and my friends. Hey Leo. Erin, you guys know Erin. She makes the cakes. This is Lamont. Jordy, Jaylet, Andy, and you guys know Rachel. But also look at the view. It's really nice in here. Super bougie, just what we like. A little dim. We have to put the flash on for the pic. We're missing a person, but also I guess I miscounted, so I guess this is good that he's not here. Sorry, LaChae. Yeah, like you might as well just not even come, Mr. Lady.
I mean, you shouldn't have to text him.
Oh, thanks. Look how heavy it is. Girl, it's heavy, yeah. Don't you feel like it's heavy?
The corners are just like
it slips really easy. Oh.
Just doing something.
I don't know. It feels richer for sure.
It does richer.
Yeah. It's the silver plating of it. They did more here.
There's just something about like
the pictures are crisp.
Yeah,
Crisp, bitch. Crisp. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice.
I think it was like the vibe.
But yeah, we're about to probably order. Well, you know, no matter where I'm going, I'm ordering a drink. So I told y'all wasn't. I told y'all wasn't ordering. I lied. You know I be lying. That's pregame. Yeah. It's lit. I got the same broken nail from DC. It's a pandemic, bro. It's hard to get into the salons. They got the Christmas trees out. It stresses me.
I love it.
Yeah, it's her birthday. Christmas is her birthday, but it's not my favorite holiday. Her birthday is my favorite holiday. Christmas is stressful for me. But okay, we're gonna order food. Alright guys, so we had our appetizers. Clearly licking my lips. Ratchet. But here's our food. You know, they are definitely on the smaller side, but you know, that's why you're supposed to get. I got lobster something, Romano. Lobster Romano, and then potatoes. Leo is munching down. Jordan got a fillet and medium. He also got salmon that's gone. And he got, what did you get? Grits?
Yep.
Yep. And then he got some chicken bruschetta that's about to be gone. Rachel had the most expensive because she has money. She has a lot of money. This is $70. Please get on her level. Like. Erin got a steak in medium, and then he also got salmon, right? Yeah, and it's looking just as small as the rest. For my appetizers, I got a lobster something. I got a bisque, a crab bisque, and I got calamari. They've been playing Christmas music the whole time, and honestly, I'm about to wrap this shit up because it's really stressing me. I'm literally like the Grinch. I just don't like the festivities. Like, why so early, you know? I miss spooky season. I know, but I just feel like it happens so fast.
It's actually not there.
Here's some butter for you,
Oh,
and then I'll be right
thank
back
you.
with your potato.
Thank you. I also got a double shot of Jack, me and Rachel. The other ones got wine because I guess they're bougie today. I'm like, all of a sudden no one takes shots? Interesting.
No, that shit is hard as fuck.
It was like honey.
Yeah, but I just want to eat today's vlog. I think we're gonna go. Are we doing anything tonight? Oh, let's talk about it. I'm trying to drink somewhere. Can we go to your house?
Yeah, you can go.
Alright, bet. Yeah, it is what it is. Alright, so turnip is at LaChae's house.
Expecting not to get COVID.
Okay. Oh, I hate doing these. Thank you guys for being here. I'm not really into the sentimental things. You guys all know how I feel about you because I have you here. So, you know, 2020 has been very odd, but one thing I'm very happy about is that I really focused on my mental health and we've gotten to a better place. So, thank you guys for that, being there. I'm sure all of you guys have gotten text messages at some random point in time. So, what else should I say? Cheers. Cheers to even better things coming, because I like to go off of my birthday as my marker, not like the New Year's. So like, I'm excited to see what the next 365 does for me. Let me make a wish. Okay.
Okay.
Did I do this backwards?
We can just pass it
You
in.
guys know I'm very dyslexic. Thanks, guys.
Happy birthday to
Steve Martin.
Happy birthday.
Okay, vocals.
Happy birthday. Shut up.
Okay, now I make a wish.
Now you make a wish.
Hey guys, so it is now Sunday. I didn't vlog at all yesterday because I was, you know, doing nothing. I took a day off, but I'm currently getting ready now to go to brunch. It's 12 o'clock. The Steelers played today, so I wanted to get cute or whatever, but before I go, yeah, you guys liked my little get ready with me vlog edition portion last time, so I wanted to do it again for the girlies. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this again in fast stamp, you know, we're gonna do a little Pittsburgh brunch or whatever. Oh, I'm also under yellow lights, so like my lighting is not the best. My ring light is like right here, but I don't usually put that on my face for this.
Someone brighter, yeah. All in mind if you don't listen that much. But some of y'all don't listen at all. Same they be pushing your buttons. Got a grown man having withdrawals. I don't mind if you don't listen that much. Yo, I just mind what you say for the crowd. But some of y'all don't listen at all. Some of y'all don't answer that call. yeah. One more time around. Everything's slowing down, can't control it. Say that you're for me. Right now I need loyalty. It's hard for me to trust you. I've been in before this, I've been through the troubles. It's hard to let you in, I've been giving you the runaround. I double on the dosage, I don't need emotion, no. Right now we young and we dumb and we lit. Been thinking that before when we was kids, yeah. I was caught up in the mystery, and we live for the moment, respond to a calling.
Unfortunately, with the modeling agency I'm signed to, I'm actually not allowed to do it.
Oh, right. Okay, so I have someone here who's a celebrity, so we'll try. I don't look this white. I don't know what, it's the window. But yeah, we are here now. Everyone's getting their food. Looks quite appetizing. I don't know what's going on over there. What's Rachel's plate? We're with the same crew per usual. We got Rachel, Aaron, Jordy, and Jalen. J squared. Oh. Ooh. With my Swiss cheese, and your avocado, and my avocado toast, and my French toast is coming. I got a lot of food. What is up with that? We got apple cider mimosas. They're really good.
No, not after she gets See you. That Tierra over here.
Okay, I can go buy this those. Oh, you didn't finish it? 1/3.
It's good. You look happy.
I look real happy.
Take 1/3 at a time, you know. Slow and steady.
I walked up there. Oh, wait.
Can you